I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the host, assign a static IP, enable NTP, and create an admin user. Next, install bind 9 or unbound and enable the service. Once done, adjust your firewall to allow TCP and UDP on port 53, and choose whether this server will be authoritative, recursive, or both. This decision affects zone files and recursion controls. Make sure to reserve a subdomain or internal zone name now. That choice simplifies later DNS records and delegation steps. You now author the zone files. Add SOA, NS, NSGLU, A, and PTR records for each host. Use incremental serial formatting for changes. Then, configure named. Conf to include zones, allow query lists, and restrict recursion to trusted networks. Once done, enable TSIG keys for zone transfers and consider DNSSEC signing to prevent tampering. Make sure to set rate limits and response policy rules to reduce abuse. Finally, reload the server and validate zone syntax before proceeding to testing. You finish by validating operation. Use dig and ENS lookup to query A, PTR, and DNSSEC records, and verify recursion only answers trusted clients. Once satisfied, configure DHCP or client network settings to use your server, or set conditional forwarders on upstream resolvers. Make sure to automate zone backups and update packages regularly. If anything goes wrong, check named logs for transfer errors and mismatched serial numbers. Often a failed zone reload stems from a syntax error or wrong serial. Fix that, then reload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.